I'm having a coach-related issue that I'm hoping someone out there can help me with. Where's Wendy today? She's working. So this is our normal setup. Of course, electric, 50 amp, water, and the sewer hose. The problem we're having is, well, I'll show you. Let's see here, let's get some lights. All right, I don't know if you can see that or not, but our tanks, and we're gonna dump real quick. So dumping on this is really easy. Black tank. It's our gray tank that we're having a problem with. So black tank's at 0. And gray tank is at 50%. So let's dump the gray tank. So we get 2 whooshes. So that sounds like the first is draining. And we get the second one. I'm not sure why we get 2. And that goes away, and we drop to 25%. We never go below 25%. So I'm wondering if that's a sensor issue or if there's something wrong with the tank. Really is a great park here, isn't it? So if anybody has any idea how that works or what's going on there, I'd appreciate it. We're taking it back to General RV here shortly, actually next week, and leaving it there for a month to get a few things fixed, but I'd love to know what the issue is before we head over there.